You would be surprised how much this does for a room that has drafty windows. I had a sunroom once that only had storm windows in it, and after I did this, it made a huge difference. So I know it saved money on heating. But you're not gonna keep it up here forever. So after the winter, when you wanna open your windows and get some fresh air in here, you're gonna wanna remove this. So let me show you how I would do it. So obviously leaving this on here all winter, it's gonna be a little different than leaving it here for 15 minutes. This tape will really stick over that period of time, but this is how you would remove it. Using a blow dryer, you can just rip it off, but you have a chance of tearing some paint off of your trim and maybe even this poly. Hopefully that won't happen if you use a blow dryer. Get even closer with the blow dryer and really heat up that tape and that trim and just run it along as you peel this off. If you left a little edge like mine, you can use that, or you can just take some scissors, cut this, and then start to peel. On high, get real close. That's gonna heat up that adhesive, making it easier to peel. It's gonna be hot. There we go. And once you get this started, you can move down. There we go. Just a little at a time. The closer you get, the faster you can go. So just out of curiosity and to see how difficult this is to remove, I'll try the other side that's not heated up. As you can see, I'm getting the plastic off the tape. Let's see if I can get this tape started. Again, it's only been here for 15 minutes, but not too bad. But after an entire season, the adhesive starts to really stick again to the trim, the paint, the varnish, whatever you have here. So just be careful. That's just way smoother.